part of the servicing we want to do is this transfer case. So we need to obviously make sure we can undo the fill first before we undo the drain. We'll drain the oil. I'll show you the oil that we need to use to go back in it. So I'm going to get these, make sure I can undo these first. This is the oil that we need to use in the transfer case, and this is the method which we used before on the differentials. We basically put some of this oil into there and pump it in. When it starts overflowing out of the fill hole, we know that it's got enough. This oil in particular needs to be Mercedes-Benz 23610 Dexron 3. They're the ingredients that are required for the transfer case, so that's why we're using this oil to go back in. It's red, the same as the automatic transmission fluid, but the transmission fluid is 236.14. This specifically needs 236.10, so that's what we're going to put back in. So we can use just a normal socket end in here, and it goes straight in as it is. Yeah, that's open nice and easy. Just make sure the drain is easy. There she is draining. Doesn't look too bad actually. Looks a bit more redder than what the gearbox fluid did. So we'll let that drain for a bit. Okay, so we filled up our little pumper with the oil we need. So we put this into the fill hole. And we start pumping, and we keep doing this now until she starts pouring out of the fill hole. Okay, so she's done 1 litre already. Let's fill up some more. She's starting to weak now. We're looking just over 1.5 litres. So let's get our fill screw back in. Tighten that up. And that is us done. It's as simple as that. Job done.